Welcome back. Anthony Temudo and his friends were watching Bra-1 on Costa Concordia when it hit the rocks. He saw people dying. He saw his captain fleeing. He saw his own death for a moment. We bring to you an on-board account of a Goan narrating the horrible event sequence on the cruise before it sunk off the Italian coast.
हांव त्या बेगीन येयल्लो कॅबिनान म्हळ्यार कितें पिक्चर पळोवपाक म्हणून कोणी पिक्चर हाडलो म्हणून पिक्चर पळोवपाक म्हणून कॅबिनान येयल्लो आनी म्हजो कॅबिन मेट पंकज रेडकर मारगांवचो फर्स्ट कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट ताका लागून हांव कॅबिनान बेगीन पावलो नाजाल्यार हांव आनी खंय वचपाचो आनी तेन्नाच हांव भायर वयतालो कितें हाडपाक म्हणून कोक कितें दिसता हाडपाक म्हणून भायर वयतालो तेन्नाच बोट आड्डली आनी ट्विस्ट जावपाक लागली बोट रायट सायडीन वचपाक लागली पॅन्ट घातलें आमी दोगूय वयर धांवले कळटा सारकी बँड जाली वन सायड आनी आमकां चलपाक जायना देखून आमी अशें चलताले धरून आनी मागीर रायटान बँड जावपाक लागली ती पयलीं आसतली न्हू बोट बँड जाल्या पळय तेजे वयर आमचे भुरगे बसलेले गोंयकार सगळे मागीर ते पेंवन दोकार पावले आनी मागीर थंयच्यान 45 मिनिट्स कितें चल्ले ते रानांनी खंयचे ते घरांनी मागीर लोकांनी चादरां कपडे काड मागीर कितें करून ते लोकांनी हेल्प भरपूर केला हो कॅप्टन 11:30 हेजेर आहलोलो धोक्यार बोट सोडून धोक्यार आनी आमच्या भुरगे येयले 4:45 देखून भुरगे बोटीरूच आहा तेन्ना एकली बायल धांवन येताली भुरग्याक घेवन धाकटे असो बाय चेडूं तेन्ना स्लीप जालें कितें जालें खबर ना पांय हाड्डलो कितें तेन्ना डायरेक्ट उदकान पडलें चली धाकटेशें येतें अजून दोळ्या कडेन येता एकलो भुरगो बेश्टो उदकान पडलो आनी वयर काडलो ताका इंडोनेशियन तो थंडान मेलो 1.5 hour लागलो भितर वचपाक म्हाका सगळी फॅमिली दिश्टी पडली पयलीं आनी हांव दिश्टी पडना म्हणून गेलोच म्हण चिंतलें आनी एक पाटी गावले न्हू आमी रडले पळय ते आनीक सांगपाक
परत बोटीर कामाक
हय आवड आहा न्हू आवड आहा आनी कितें करतलें पोटाक लागून वचपाकूच पडटा न्हू
हांव देहाक आर्गां दितां म्हजो भुरगो पोत्तून येयलो म्हणून
A reporter in Panchi, Laukik Chilkar, with video journalist Sushant Pearl. State NCP unit in Goa is experiencing a major unrest as its Goa observer Bharti Chauhan wants their high command to take disciplinary action against NCP's Goa president. Bharti Chauhan says that the state party president Surendra Sirsat is more keen on securing MAPSA ticket. She says Sirsat and other party members held an unofficial meeting in view of securing the ticket. However, Surendra Sirsat says he took part in the meeting in the interest of the party. On 23rd, meeting between high commands of Congress and NCP is scheduled on seat sharing. But all is not well in the NCP. Party members are upset as non-members of the NCP are expected to get tickets for upcoming assembly poll. NCP's Goa observer Bharti Chauhan was upset with Surendra Sirsat and others as they held a meeting which raised concerns as non-members of the NCP were expected to get party tickets. Bharti Chauhan has been quoted by media saying, "All these members, including Sirsat, who attended the unofficial meeting were restive because they were all aspirants for nominations." Sirsat misguided members and further chaired the unofficial meeting for his self-interest because he wants to contest from MAPSA. Many in NCP are upset with this stand of Bharti Chauhan. Sirsat, however, says that he has been a senior party member in various political parties and people know his commitments.
ज्या आमच्या पक्षश्रेष्ठीने माझ्यावर विश्वास दवरलेलो आसा त्या विश्वासाक पात्र ठरवपा खातीर जे पळय कितें करूंक जाय तो करपाचो म्हाजो प्रयत्न आसता आनी हे सगळें करता आसतना एकूच सांगता की जे पळय कितें घडटा तें घडात वयता आमी फक्त निमताक कितें कारण आसूं शकता ना अशें ना पण आनी तुका सांगपाचें म्हणजे अशें की म्हाजें जें पळय कितें कार्य आसा जो पर्यंत पक्षश्रेष्ठींचो म्हाजेर विश्वास आसा ह्या आपल्या गोंयच्या शाखेचो एक नेतृत्व म्हाजे कडेन तेंच्यांनी पळय दिल्लेलें आसा तांच्या विश्वासाक पात्र थारतलो ह्या पद्दतीन म्हाजें काम चालू आसतलें.
A senior reporter Rakesh Kandulkar with video journalist Omkar Falari. Mungul residents in Madga are opposing construction of footpath in their village. They say, "Give us good road and a footpath." They claim that the roads in their village are already narrow. They have submitted a memorandum to the Chief Officer of Madgaon Municipality demanding stopping of the work. Have a look at this ongoing construction of footpath in Mungul village in Madgaon. Residents of the village are not happy with the construction. They have demanded that the roads should be widened on priority basis.
Okay, this footpath amka naka. Kiti amge rosto sarko nasto this footpath am kitiaku. This footpath hi oilanu. Kon cholon hoitolo. And amko rostos kai sarko na amge motor hoita is sarki na ek motor hoi jal dusri motor am rapa boda. Jale footpath kit kai footpath amka naka.
And other wild animals are living, and it becomes very dangerous for us to walk on the footpath, and if anybody looks at the size of the footpath, they will know what is the reason for making this footpath. Is it for people to walk on the road, or it is with some other interest?
They have complained to the flying squad in Madgaon. One of the residents claimed that flying squad visited the area and is investigating the case.
आज सकाळी आम्ही फ्लाइंग स्क्वॉड फोन केलो आनी ते येयले हिंगा चोवपाक आनी तेणी चोयल्यांनी सगळें इन्स्पेक्शन करून गेले आनी इन्क्वायरी कोतो म्हळ्यार मुखार सो तेणें म्हाका सांगलें आपण मुखार इन्क्वायरी करून तुमकां मागीर चोयत सांगत म्हूण कितें जाता तें.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias. Goa Seamen Association are annoyed with the Nusi Walkout Hospitals Act. Nusi Walkout Hospital has filed a petition before the Sessions Court not to allow Goa Seamen to agitate outside the Nusi Hospital. Earlier, seafarers had threatened to demonstrate at Nusi Hospital if their demands are not met.
Workout Hospital भायल्यानूय डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट करपा आसलोले पण अजून आमी डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन केलें ना तरूय आसतना तेणी आमचेर केस घायल्या आमगे मेमोरेंडम तेम दिलो तो तुमी तुका जाणाय क्लियरली तेजे बरयलो आहा जरी तर अब्दुल गनी 12 तारखेर दुखून जानराचे गोंया येवन आमकां तरी आमगे सिमेनांगे ग्रीवियन्सीस तो एड्रेस करना जाल्यार वी विल बी फोर्स्ड टू डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट आम थिंग मूळ ना देखून वी विल डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट म्हूण.
President of Goa Seamen Association of India, Dixon Vaz, has reiterated that they will not support Congress in this election.
आमकां सिमेनाक हेल्प कोनाय तांकां वोट कोनाकाय कोणाकूय कोराय आनी आमचे जायते बरे कॅन्डिडेट येयलाय तें डिसिजन थारोवटाक गेलें तें कोणा सपोर्ट करपाचें तें करपाचें पूण काँग्रेसाक कोनाकाय कित्याक काँग्रेसाक केलें जाल्यार तुगे आनी काम जावपाचें ना केन्नाच.
Moreover, he says that their demands are not met due to political pressure.
एकलो पॉलिटिशियन हें सगळें स्टॉप करता आनी ही टॅक्नीक तेंगेली कित्याक आमकां तरी बरे भाशेन केलें जाल्यार एसोसिएशन घडोवन हाड म्हणून तांकां तें नांव पेड जातालें तेणें करूं ना म्हणून आम केलां सो ताका लागून हें बंद जाता.
Earlier, seafarers under the banner of Goa Seamen Association of India had submitted a memorandum to Nusi Hospital officials that if their General Secretary Abdul Ghani doesn't meet them personally and resolve their problems by 12 January, they will demonstrate outside the hospital. However, they retracted back. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.